Hi all. We've been asked as a request to give a quick talk through on breakout trading, what it is, how it is identified and how it works. What I've got here is a good little opportunity on the gold dollar chart, and we can see a clear breakout, and we can talk through what we're looking for and what to expect. First of all, we're on the gold dollar on the 4 hour. Now what we can see here is the market is slowly been breaking new lower highs, lower lows, lower lows, lower highs, and now the market looks to be breaking to a new higher high. How do we know this and what to look for? Well, firstly, we need to identify the channel. So I like to put in an equidistant channel. It quick and easy identifies the market direction and the trend. If we look here, we've got the market high around this area. Put this in. There's our high, and if we put in a few key points, there's our lower low, because obviously this low is lower than that high, and we'll put one more in just to show you, and this is a lower high because this high is lower than this high, so it's a lower high, lower low, lower high, etc. We can also identify the direction simply just putting some lines in as a good indicator how the market is panning out. So we can see the market is grinding its way down. Now, to look for our breakout, first of all, let's just put in a horizontal line based on this high, and we'll put one more in, horizontal line here based on this key high. Now, our breakout. If we look here, the market has returned to the top area of the channel and broken through, pulled back slightly, bounced around to eventually break to the upside. When it did break to the upside, point to note, it nearly hit the previous high horizontal, which is a good indication that the market is changing direction. So this is what we call a breakout, and what we're looking for is a nice good candlestick going up, and then our retracement all the way to the channel that it's broken out of. If we look here, we had our touch on our descending channel. The market moved sideways, bouncing on it, deciding whether to continue the breakout or continue the downtrend. This point here, the market clearly broke out of the trend and pushed on to the previous high, and then the market retraced perfectly back to the pip on our trend line, and then now we see the market retrace, and what we'd like to see is the market continue the move upwards. So what we're looking for is something like this: our breakout, our retest, and then our continued move in the new direction. And here's our continued move up, and we'd like to see the market come somewhere around here, and then it might have another pullback prior to a further move to the upside. Note these key horizontal levels, the market will move in between as it's grinding its way up, and that will also complete a value pattern. So once again, we've got our descending channel. We can see our high, our lower high, our lower high, and we're slowly grinding down. The market started to move sideways but towards the upper end of the descending channel. We then had the breakout, the retest, and now we would like to see a continuation of the move to the upside. A nice simple explanation of breakout trading.